Today what we're going to do is snare and hi-hat combination practice. What we're going to be doing is getting those different variations with the snare and the hi-hat. We're not going to go too advanced, but we're going to get some of the basics. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open the kit that you downloaded from the site. And we're going to go right to the hi-hats. The hi-hat that we're going to use today is going to be dirty. It's going to be a second one. And I'm going to set dirty on pad 3. Second thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and grab the snares. So snare claps. And we're going to go down to I know this clap. It should be right under a favorite snare. And I'm going to put that on pad 2. Load that up. So now that I have my hi-hat on pad 3 and I have my snare on pad 2, that's all we need today. That's all we need. What we're going to do is we're going to set the BPM to 100. Set the BPM to 100. I'll wait till you do that and make sure that your metronome is on the click track. Make sure it's on record play when you press the play start. After we have all that built up, it's the easy part. So let's get that click track going. I want you to start feeling that metronome too, man. That metronome got a mean track to it. So we're gonna start real simple on the hi-hats. Real basic, and we're gonna work our way up. You guys feel free to follow me. Switch. Very tedious, very simple, because I know you listen to the click track and we're pretty much following along with the metronome, but that's going to build into other stuff. So I just want you, that's just a quick warm up, get that going in your system, because we might drop that snare now. And remember with the pinchers, you got two types of pinchers. You got these pinchers, you got these pinchers, you got whatever you want. As long as you can kind of cue those two pads close to each other, you're cooking. So for this right here, I'm going to hit the hi-hat with the snare. It's going to be a little difficult, but you got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, real basic, but I think you also see where it's headed to. This next one, we're going to pick it up just a little bit. Switch. Practice that, practice that, practice that. That right there is going to get you nice. You can, it's going to get there. It's going to get there. Let's go ahead and do another variation before I let you go. Alright, so that one's a little bit more advanced. I'm not expecting to get that one off the break unless you're a medium player in the easy section right now, but that's going to take some time. If you notice, I'm using the 2 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. practice that, practice that, practice that, I already know you're going to kill it. If you're already here in the first place, I already know that's not going to be too hard for you. So I'm proud of you guys. I'll see you guys on lesson 4. Let's get it.